So today we are going to discuss the problem intersection of two arrays. So we are provided with two arrays, nums1 and nums2, and we need to return the intersection of those two arrays. And the point to note over here is that we need to return only the unique elements. We can't output the repeating elements. For example, in nums1 we have two 2's, and in num2 we have gained two 2's, but we need to output only a single 2. So let's see. So let me just erase this for you. We'll be using headset as they do not contain any duplicate values of integer. Let's call it set1 new headset. We'll be using for each loop to loop through the elements of nums1 array and store it inside our hash set so that we can have the unique elements as hash set, as the hash set do not contain any duplicate values. So we'll be having 1 and 2. So let's just add set1 dot add I. Now for set2 or the nums2, we'll check for int y in nums2. If the element of nums2 is contained in nums1, then we'll be adding to another list. Let's create another hash set. Let's call it set2 new hash set. If the element is present in nums1 or the list 1, if set1 dot contains y element, then we'll be adding to our another hash set, that is set2. Then set2 dot add y element. Alright, so now we'll be having distinct elements. Those are present in nums1 and nums2, and have them in our set2. That's a hash set, and we need to output integer array. So for that we need to create another integer array. So let's see, we'll be using another for loop, for each loop, for int I in set2. Let's just integer, let's call it k is equal to 2, and let's see, we need to create another output array of size equal to new int of size as equal to the size of set2 dot size. Okay, so we'll be adding that to our integer array. Let's just array at index k equal to I. To increment, let's just add plus plus over here. That will increment our array. So now we need to output our final array. Let's just call it return array. Let's see if it works. Okay, so there's a typing error. So it's working. Let's just submit it. Okay, so it's working and it's faster than 63% of the submissions. So that's it.